16 suspects of the Shakahola massacre have been staging a hunger strike while in police cells and are now on the brink of death. The suspects, led by the cult leader Paul Mackenzie, were arraigned again today, where the state was seeking 60 more days to detain the suspects so as to allow police to conclude their investigations. NTV's Kevin Mutai also reports that the death toll has risen to 318 after 15 more bodies were exhumed today.
Some of the Shakahola suspects arrived in court Wednesday morning. They looked weak and emaciated, and some could hardly walk and supported. They are 18 in number, but police say only Pastor Paul Mackenzie and his deputy Smart Mwakalama have been eating, while the rest continued starving while in custody. Police were forced to carry the weak, seeking the court's intervention amid fears that their situation could lead to loss of lives.
I direct that the respondents who are visibly weak and frail be escorted to hospital for examination and treatment. And I further direct that medical reports on the said respondents be presented to court on the next date. The
defense team requested the court for more time to file affidavits, opposing 60 more days, which the state is seeking to continue detaining the suspects as investigations continue. The controversial preacher Paul Mackenzie also pleaded with the court not to transfer them to Shimolatewa maximum security prison if police will be granted more time.
Those that may need to be forced to eat shall be forced to eat by dint of section 29.
Let's get a doctor. Talk to them first, a medical doctor. We get the problem first.
Wasitolewe sense. Wabaki kule na wataka-operate na pia polisi ama state iangalia hayo mambo madogo ambayo yalichangia yaondoke. Tena kila kitu kitakuwa sawa.
Mambo mengi yatategemea pia ushirikiano wenu ili kurahisisha hii kesi, tuisikize kama inavyokwenda na koti itoe uamuzi.
Two of the defense lawyers, Elisha Komora and George Kariuki, have recused themselves from the case, citing frustrations and threats to their lives.
Us having issues and having frustrations and having difficulties even on the side of the state. You know, I took one heart to assist them, and at the same heart, I am withdrawing my instructions.
The fear that I have seen being presented about the status of these people and the fact that some of them have been sleeping on the bare floor for 60 days, surely they are likely to become sick and die before even we reach the trial.
The suspects will be detained at Malindi GK prison until next week, when the case will be mentioned again. Meanwhile, 15 more bodies have been exhumed in Shakahola forest, raising the death toll to 318. One person has also been arrested. Kevin Mutai, NTV in the county of Mombasa.